Hi guys, today we'll be talking about commercial real estate. My mom is building a company called Legacy, and she wants more women to own commercial real estate. And I'm really proud of her for doing that.
It's now Q&A time with the world's youngest commercial real estate woman potential owner. Her name is Claudia. So Claudia, would you like to own big buildings when you are older?
Yes.
Do you think you could be the best landlord ever?
Mm-hmm.
Would you treat your tenants well? Would you make sure their
Yes.
building was clean?
Yes.
Would you build it up to the proper code?
Mm-hmm.
Keep everything in good working order? Maintain the building well?
Mm-hmm.
What's your favorite type of building?
I like the tall skyscrapers and like business buildings, work buildings, offices,
Wow. And
financial structures.
so one day you plan on owning some of them.
Mm-hmm.